furnace.
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 Furnace can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, furnace can mean 1. An industrial heating device, e.g. for smelting metal or baking ceramics. 2. A device that provides heat for a building, a space heater. 3. Any area that is excessively hot. 4. A place or time of punishment, affliction, or great trial, severe experience or discipline. As a verb, furnace can mean 1. To heat in a furnace. 2. To exhale like a furnace.
Atri placed a piece of iron in the furnace.